Hi everyone, this is Revathi M, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Today we are going to discuss about downloading and installation Python. So how to install Python on Windows. Then in this session we are going to discuss about how to install Python on Windows, how to check your Python version on Windows, what your options are, how to install from the Microsoft Store, how to install from the full installer. So the most obvious place to get all Python related software is at the main website, that is a Python organization. For your convenience, you can also go to this book website at corepython.com and click on the install Python link. To the left, we have organized a grid with the most contemporary version of Python for the most platform, with a focus, of course, on the big three Unix, Win32, Mac OS. So how to downloading and installing Python. Check which version of Python, if any, is installed on your machine. So installing and updating Python on your computer is the first step to becoming a Python programmer. There are a multitude of installation methods. You can download official Python distribution from python.org, install from a package manager, and even install specialized distribution of scientific computing, Internet of Things and embedded system. So it focuses on official distribution as they generally the best option for getting started with learning to program in Python. So how to install Python on Windows. In this section, you will learn how to check which version of Python, if any, is installed on your Windows computer. You will also learn which of the three installation method you should use. For a more comprehensive guide, check out your Python coding environment on Windows. So how to check your Python version on Windows? So here how we open PowerShell. Press the Win key, type PowerShell, press enter. Alternatively, you can right click the start button and select Windows PowerShell or Windows PowerShell. We are seeing how to check your Python version on Windows. So with the command line open, type in the following command and press enter. First we have to type cmd.exe. Then C colon slash bracket Python version Python 3.8.4. Then same command Python v Python 3.8.4. So using the version switch will show you the version that installed. Alternatively, you can use the switch. If you don't have a version of Python on your system, then both of the above command will launch the Microsoft Store and redirect you to the Python application page. So you will see how to complete the installation from the Microsoft Store in the next session. You can also complete the installation on Windows using alternative distribution such as Anaconda, but the tutorial covers only official distributions. Anaconda is a popular platform for doing scientific computing and data science with Python. To learn how to install Anaconda on Windows, check out setting up Python for machine learning on Windows. Next we see what your options are. So there are three options we are using. First one is a Microsoft Store package, full installer, Windows subsystem for Linux. That is called as a WSL. So there are three ways to install the official Python distribution on Windows. These three are used to using for the Python. First one is a Microsoft Store package. The most straightforward installation method on Windows involves installing from the Microsoft Store app. This is recommended for beginners Python users looking for an easy to set up interactive experience. Next one is a full installer. So the full installer, this approach involves downloading Python directly from the python.org website. This is recommended for intermediate and advanced developers who need more control during the setup process. The third one is a WSL, that is called as a Windows subsystem for Linux. So the WSL allows you to run your Linux environment directly in Windows. You can learn how to enable the WSL by reading the Windows Subsystem for Linux Installation Guide for Windows 10. So we come to the end of this section. I hope you enjoy this section. Thank you.